We're doing some experimentation today with the potter's wheel. The last video we did, we did a flip cup and then sort of just let the centrifugal force spread the paint out. This time I want to work with sort of a pour, avoiding the center and pouring as it turns, creating sort of a donut shape. And then I'm going to go inwards of that donut shape each time with an additional color so that it spins out, spreading out over the color before. And I'm saying color, but there's no color. We're just working in neutrals. Probably alternating between black and then white and then maybe some metallics. We'll see how it goes. So let's get started. See how it turns out. I think we'll start with white this time. And turn it on to assist. Corners are tough. I don't think that'll be a problem with the actual painting part, but it is with me scraping the surface smooth because I just can't go out there or it would skip. Okay, so we have white. I'll worry about the sides later. I usually do. A lot of you might notice I don't pay attention to the sides. Mostly, I usually go back and just paint them white or black to be a smooth whatever, or I don't know, if the drips look nice I leave the drips. Okay, so we have this surface and I'm gonna get a thicker ring of white. Let me get my cup here, pour some, it looks like there's wet paint in there but it's not, it's dried. Okay, so there's some white. I'm just going to pour a ring of white right there. And then we will go just to the inside of that with, let's go with micaceous oxide because that's pretty cool. Just to the inside of the ring that I already did. Huh. I feel like I need to speed it up a little bit. That's a lot of paint. And then, I don't know, this might just be a white and micaceous oxide painting. Just to the inside of that. Speed it up a little more. Whew. And I told you I secured my big one, but I didn't secure the small one. We're gonna salvage it though, because I'm seeing some promising stuff. I just need to not turn it on that high. It's the exact diameter, width of the wheel diameter, so I know that that it is centered. It was just going way too fast. I'm gonna turn it back on. That actually looks sort of cool. Where'd my light go? Huh, that's neat. All right, speed it up a little bit. So that might be cool after it dries. I don't know whether... So, real talk right now. If it wouldn't have fallen, I think it would have ended up being a really boring composition, but because it fell, it hit something and it sort of got an interesting spot in it that added attention. And then I added a few more strokes, and so, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Okay, on to the next one. Experiment day. Hoping that pouring a ring inside a ring would push the paint over the previous ring, and it flew off the wheel because hey, this is really not even that bad. I have a larger wooden circle that has also been secured to the wheel. It's not gonna fly off, I promise. 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 I sort of want to swipe, but I feel like the whole point of this turning is that it swipes for me with centrifugal force. By the way, I did not take physics. That's like the one science class. I loved science. That was one of my favorite classes. I took all kinds of biology, anatomy, physiology, zoology, field biology, chemistry, advanced chemistry, but I never took physics. So I keep saying centrifugal force. Hopefully I know what I'm talking about. I feel like that would spread the paint out in a way that swiping would. Although it might be spreading it all out, but rather than just the top layer, which might be part of my problem why everything's sort of looking muddy, like it's just mixing together. It's not what I want it to be. I was thinking I would start with the line of paint across the center on a black background, like I've done in a couple of previous paintings, and then spin it and see what I get. I'll try it. And if I don't like it, then maybe I'll swipe it from there, if it hasn't muddied itself up too much. That's the plan, Stan. Sorry, I see glitter. This room gets glitter, and I don't know where it comes from. Have you ever heard the saying that glitter is the herpes of the art room? It's true. I don't ever buy it, but it just shows up and it gets all over everything and it spreads to everyone. Do you like this though? This looks cool, huh? It's getting pretty messy. I'm glad I covered everything up pretty well. All right, let's do this. So, I'm gonna coat the canvas. It's not a canvas, the wooden panel in black. Again, using the spinning of the wheel to assist because it looks cool. Need a little bit more. Like I've got a shallow spot in the center. It just does not want to cover up. There. I think we're good. Okay. Now I'm going to turn it off because I want to do a stripe across the way. So the order that I went in previously was gold, then the silvers. Gold, and then micaceous oxide, then we have silver, iridescent silver, By the way, I don't think I ever say micaceous oxide is also iridescent. But the gold is not Golden Brand gold. It's just some gold that I have. And then this is titanium white. Nope. Almost forgot iridescent pearl. I was running low on the iridescent pearl this last time that I mixed it. So it's a mixture of iridescent pearl and interference blue-green, and also some of the gold mixed in, just because I needed more paint. Alright, so this is the pearl mixture. Woo, that's a lot of paint. And some white, just for good measure. That is too much paint, y'all. Did not need to use that much paint. Okay. We'll go slow first. I feel like it's all going that way. This is being tugged this way. That should be tugged that way, though. I want to swipe, because this is really pretty though, but this is awfully plain. I don't know. I think I better leave it. It's starting to do cool stuff. I'm getting excited. Oh wow. It's starting to look like a landscape. I think I've hit the jackpot. This is what spin art's for. I'm not going to get crazy with the speed this time. Just let this do its thing for just a second. Let's see if I can turn it around where you can... I mean, oh wow. It looks like a mountain scene to me. Like sunrise. Wow. Look at that. And look at that edge of gold right there. Ooh, I'm so excited. And the subtlety of that. And then again up there. I just hope it dries really well. I've not painted on these wooden discs before. I did coat it to prevent any sort of the SID substrate impurity discoloration. I coated it with GAC 100, which is a product specifically made for that, but it has a bumpiness to it. I feel like maybe in the end I could probably coat it with some resin if that's an issue. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. While we're looking at this, I want to show you this mess that I have made. I've got aprons on my legs and on myself. So, I feel like that one was a success. And that means out of the 3 experiments that we are going to try that again, which I sort of thought was going to be the way to go. That's why I saved it for last. Pat on my back. So now we will try that with the big canvas. Yep, there's a big one. 3 feet by 3 feet. And it will be secured. promise. Got your 3 foot by 3 foot canvas. Are you excited? I'm excited. And the last. First of all, I'm trying not to make a fool out of myself by crying because I'm really excited. This is nice. I like it a lot. Thanks for watching another one of my videos. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you did. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon in order to get notifications on the next videos that come out. I try to put videos out every 4 days or so. Also, if you're looking to purchase any of my art, or if you would just like some swag, some merch, like this t-shirt here, or stickers, big and small, bookmarks and magnets and couch pillows and all kinds of stuff on my website. See HoelscherArt.com. All my paintings that you've seen me create are for sale there if they haven't already sold. So thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.